Alright, welcome aboard. I don't know if the angle's good or not, but we'll see. Oh my goodness, they got me on. Topsy-turvy. All right, 25 volts. I'm gonna start the right one. Nobody's out there. A little warmer start, no wind. The wind is real stagnant out there. Started disengaged at 42%. We're letting our amps drop a little bit. We'll wait for it to stabilize. And there we go. Rotation, fuel flow, ignition, oil pressure, rotation of N2, rotation of N1. Good light off, nice and cool. There's that second stage. You can kind of hear it spooling up. And again, at 42%, the starter disengaged. Alright. Get the air conditioning.
Pause system test. Okay.
Ground citation 300 whiskey. Ground citation 300 whiskey.
Citation 300 Julie whiskey, ground.
Yes, sir. 300 Julie whiskey. We're over here at Cessna Service Center. Like to reposition the signature.
Citation 300 Julie whiskey, taxi via Charlie Mike Delta, cross runway 5 right, and kilo to signature.
Charlie Mike Delta, cross 5 right, kilo to signature. I'll pull you guys forward when I shut down. I'll show you.
Got that 101 and Grazer.
I've got my digital checklist now. They added that. It's kind of nice to have. Alright, here's Delta. Delta. We'll get our anti-collision lights on.
Just got that 101, just one at a time. So because that Palm Beach one is still in the system, the Fort Lauderdale one won't send. So if you want to do another system check, I can remove both of these flight plans right now, and then you can submit another one. I can push that one for you. Alright, well, I'll keep them both here for now. Let me know what you need.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing, buddy?
Alright, I'm taxiing in. Can I call you back in a minute?
Back, buddy.
Alright, bye. Alright. Alright, they want us to park over here. That's good. That'll work. Air conditioning off. We wait for it to spool down. And you really want to make sure it spools down, because if you turn the battery off quickly, you don't have any fire protection, or no indication of a fire. So anyway, so we're looking good. We got 1220 worth of fuel. All right, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for riding.